Meaning of garret.
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 garret,
Garret. A garret refers to a small and often cramped attic or living space located at the top of a building. It is typically under the roof and may have slanted walls and limited headroom. Garrets were traditionally used as inexpensive lodging for artists, students, and other individuals who couldn't afford better accommodations. Despite their small size, garrets often offer beautiful views of the surrounding area because of their height. Nowadays, garrets are often converted into cozy living spaces or utilized for storage purposes due to their compact size and unique architecture.